In this video I will show you how to make black or dark photo into a bright photo just 1 minute easily in Photoshop. See, I removed this photo darkness. Open the photo in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate layer. Select duplicate layer. Select lasso tool. Select the photo area you want to bright or remove darkness. After finish selection, right-click your mouse, go to feather, then change radius value. After doing this, change your background color white, it is must. Now press Ctrl plus backspace. Now change the blending mode normal to soft light. See, darkness removed successfully. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.